Hey fans, got a Lexus GX470 here, and my automatic mirrors, they would come in, but when I wanted them to come out, they wouldn't do it. But I fixed it. Stick around, we'll figure it out. I'll show you how I did it. Alright fans, here is the switch that I'm talking about. This moves the mirrors in and out. You push it down, they come in, you push it back, and the button comes up, and then the mirrors go back out. Now, my mirrors would not go back out, so I was trying to figure it out. Here we go. Pop these out. This one here out, and there's just a clip on the top and on the bottom. Same clip. Now this whole switch assembly is like roughly $100. I popped this one here out. So I'll take this whole thing out. Now right here are a couple of little bumps on either side of this circuit board, and they actually go all the way down to here when the switch is all the way in place. You can see it just kind of fell down inside there. There's also this little panel here that may have to be pulled forward, pulled away in order to get this out. So let's see. I've already done that. Yeah, there's a little bit. You can see there's a little bit of a little dot right here. So anyways, this is the switch body here. Now this is the part that we're worried about. In order to get this one here off, it has to be in the out position. So in, out. So it has to be in the out position. And then you pull it forward. See the little white part in there? You got to pull it forward. That unlocks it. And now I can get it out. Again, here's the switch. In, out. Now, it's got these little clips here. One on either side. And it comes apart pretty easily. So, in my case, what I found to be the problem is, if you can see in here, there's this little piece of metal right here. And in the open position, this contact, there's one on either side, this contact goes all the way to the wall, to this area here, on both sides. They're sort of a teeter-totter on these guys. Sorry for lighting and camera, everything's terrible here. But the point is that it was having problems making contact with this on this when it was in the top position. So I rubbed this back and forth, cleaned it up, put it back together, and now it works, no problem. Anyway, it's been kind of an annoyance for as long as I've owned the car, and now it is working again. Success! So now I go ahead and put that together. Pardon the noise. Now, put that thing back together. I recommend that you be very careful with this, since there are some small parts in here, and it will be difficult to find them if they fall, and it will also be expensive to replace this whole switch assembly if you had to do so. So remember, this guy here, it's got to be on this angle in order to get it off. So you can push it down like so. I've got the switch connected here again. It's in the open position. Now, if I push on the button, oh, all right. Now they're closed or in, and then I push on it again, and they open. Success! Okay, side note. This is the plug that plugs into the mirror adjustment switch. This is the mirrors in and out. And then if you look right here, along in the same wiring harness, I've got two other plugs. Now, I can't help but wonder if that has if either of these means that this vehicle's wired for a locker or not, or if there's another switch here or here that it's already set to go for. So anyway, so in getting this out, someone, well, I don't know if they were trying to get it out earlier or what, but somebody before me actually came in here and gaffed this baby right here. I've got just a Sharpie that I'm going to come in here and color that in. If you can get your fingernails around this thing and just kind of shimmy it, it came out. Alright, here are my switches. The mirror switch, you can see here. And this is the switch that keeps the mirrors, that brings the mirrors in and out. So I'll put this guy in here, flip it over, and you can see it goes down inside there. So it goes down inside there, and all you have to do is push it in the rest of the way. And now it's locked in place. I can see these guys right here. Now it's locked in place, and I've got a switch that works right here. Okay. All right, I'll do this one-handed. Here we go. Plug this guy into this switch. Then this one goes in. Oh, then this one goes into the windows. Oh man, I'm having a hard time focusing here. This one goes in here. There we go. The rest of these are just other unknown plugs. Now I've got that one here. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna come in here and try and hit this with my Sharpie. Just to. Obviously, it's not the repair. But it does help it a little bit. Okay. Then the whole assembly comes back into place. And now we are golden. Switches in, out. We did it. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.